CapCut template not showing on TikTok app. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut template not showing on your TikTok. So all what you have to do is just go into the settings of your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just simple, scroll down until you find TikTok and then click on it, and now click on this force stop option and go into the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. After that, go back to the home page and go to the Play Store and search for TikTok and make sure to click on this update option to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.